Hey guys, walk with me while I show you my newly renovated basement that I've been working on. This is a renovation that took place last month. We ended up working on this project for about 40 days, but walk with me. Coming through this door right here is going to be a smoke room, basically where you could have a cigar, a nice drink over business. Um, and then when you come out right here, this to the right here, this is a closet now, but I'm gonna make that the bar. Right here to the left is the full bathroom, of course. We're gonna totally redo that. All this stuff right here has to go. And like I say, coming down the steps, as soon as you take a left, we made that a bedroom. That wall that we walked through was just a wall, but we cut a door in. We ended up widening that wall right there that you see in front of you. We ended up widening it about another 8 feet. And like I said, that's going to be the bar right there where the black pole's at, which later will be wrapped. I opened this wall right here and made the smoke room a very inviting entrance. Like I say, we totally gutted everything. New wires, new plumbing, new electrical, new insulation. And one of the most challenging things that we had to do was to raise the ceiling. So we ended up having to raise the ceiling about 14 to 15 inches. So in order for us to do that, we had to frame in all the ductwork. We moved all the ductwork to the perimeter of the room and then framed it in like a box style framing. But it came out really good because we was able to actually raise the ceiling to where we wanted, and it gave it that comfortability that we were looking for. As you can see now with the process, we're starting to hang the sheetrock. On phase 3, we're starting to hang the sheetrock, and as you can see, the boxing, it actually came out real good with the sheetrock on it. I'm really impressed with my smoke room. We put a high ventilation system in there just to be able to pull the smoke out. So if I'm smoking in it, it pulls it right out. And I went with some really good soundproof doors to block out not only just the sound but the smoke. As you can see, we went with can lights. We went with a lot of can lights and some ceiling fans, like low profile ceiling fans, just because the ceiling height is only like 8.5 feet now. As you can see, we ended up wrapping them poles. I could have moved them poles, but I didn't really want to mess with the integrity of the house because we are on the 3rd floor and we have 2 more floors above us. So instead of risking having any structural movement upstairs, I decided just to leave the poles and wrap them. And now that it's done, I'm pleased with it because it came out really well. So in this project right here, I had a budget of 30 grand and we stayed well under that. We even had enough to actually decorate too with that same budget. So I was really impressed with that. And I believe that came from me, of course, doing a lot of the work myself. I had my team come down and they did a lot of the framing, electrical, sheetrock, insulation. And I did all the other things like all the trim, all the flooring, all the cabinets. As you can see right here, I'm putting in the Formica countertop right there. And I did all the painting, all the trim, all the flooring, toilets, and it came out really well. And like I said, we did this right under 40 days. So I was really impressed with the outcome. And just to be able to have another living space, because this basement was not inviting at all. You would come down and nobody even wanted to walk down here. Your feet would actually get dirty. And like I said, I've totally redone this whole house anyway. As you can see right here, we ended up going for picture wall. I put 4 65-inch TVs up, made it a picture wall TV. I put another 65 over the bar, and I put 2 55s. I put 1 in each bedroom and 1 in this smoke room right here, which came out really cool. We went with a dark color in here. I love this room right here. It's dope. So like I say, we're going to have another video that's going to come out and it's going to show you all the decorated parts of the basement. My wife is an interior designer, so I'll leave that up to her. So don't y'all miss the next video. Stay tuned. Holla.